Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Horinga.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for India Glycols. India Glyco is the ticker name which you can see here, and right now you are watching the monthly technical chart of India Glycols. You can see the price trend path of historical path of India Glycols, along with a few technical indicator graphs like RSI, MACD, momentum, ADX, money flow, etc. If you look at the price trend path of India Glycols here, we have data since 2011. You can see that here since 2011 up to November 2017. Actually, this particular stock has been going. I mean, until 2017. Until 2017, the highest point this particular stock has reached was 228. Okay, that was the highest point it reached, and the lowest point was 65 rupees. Okay, and I mean, just recently this stock started moving up after this positive super trend, under the influence of this positive super trend mode, and after this super trend has formed, this particular stock has started moving up. Now see these green candles here, big candles here, and all these candles started forming recently. September, October, and this is November. Okay, in the last 2 months, from 169 to 390 rupees. That means it is like nearly tripled. Nearly, we can say approximately it is like it didn't cross 400, but nearly triple. That much rise it went. I mean, the stock has given to us this price. I mean, whoever has invested just 2 months ago definitely had tripled their investment by this time. But still, the stock has still there is a lot of potential in the stock to further price rise. And here we can see the stock has already crossed its 20-day moving average, and 50-day already crossed, and then it is under the influence of super trend mode. All good signs. Now, if you look at the RSI is picking up, and RSI stands for relative strength index of the stock, and that is picking up, means I mean it is in sync with the price rise here. And if you look at the MACD, both lines, signal line is on top of the red line, and both lines are diverging. And look at the histogram bars, all the histogram bars are perforating on top of the baseline, and they are in green, and even the size is also increasing. Good. And look at the momentum is playing on top of the baseline, and it is making a parallel line. That is the only thing concerned here. And look at the ADX, direction strength of the stock is rising here, and even the green line and red line both are diverging, creating a huge gap between them, which is directly proportional to the price momentum here. And money flow, and see, look at the money flow. Money flow has been there on top of the what do you say, on the top line, has been playing on top of the line since quite a long period of time. So all these indicators, all these guiding points, except momentum, which is making a parallel line to the baseline, all are indicating positive. So right now the stock might be lacking momentum at this moment, but direction strength is there. But if momentum also picks up, definitely the stock will cross 450 within a short period of time. But this at this moment, I can recommend the stock for long-term investment. Considering that this momentum will get fixed within a few days. We'll come back to the stock later after a few days, and then see whether whether the remaining, I mean, whether these indicators are going smooth, and they are all looking in the upward direction or not. Then again we will make a recommendation for the solid recommendation for the long-term investment. But until then, right now, I mean, even right now, this stock is good for long-term investment. You can considering the upward price movement, and the super trend mode, and crossing 20-day moving average, and RSI, MACD, and direction strength of the stock, and money flow, and all these are like positive indicators. So this is the right time to invest in the stock, and to get benefited. So people who had already invested 2 months ago, they had already gained so much, and congrats to them. But people who had not invested and are considering to invest, this is the right time to invest. This is the recommendation for this particular stock. Okay guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.